In this video, we'll examine distance versus time graphs. Distance versus time. To begin with, I'm sure you're familiar with the XY axis, aren't you? Axes, I should probably say for plural. We have the Y axis here is vertical. The X axis is horizontal. Alright, so it's very common in all sciences to use time for your X axis. As we move along here, we're going from 0 to 30 seconds. That's the X axis. In this situation, we're putting distance on the y-axis. So we got 90 meters at 50. So this is distance versus time. When you do this, this is your y-axis value, distance versus time. And that's our graph. Now we'll draw a couple of lines. These will indicate the movement of two different objects, a red object and a blue object. And as you see, as time increases, their distance increases too, doesn't it? Doesn't it make sense? Just say you go for a walk. After 2 seconds, you haven't gone very far. After maybe 30 seconds, you've gone pretty far. So as you go, your distance increases. And we see that here. Time increases, distance increases. Here's your video code, D versus T. D vs T. All right, we'll choose these points. I want to figure out how fast these guys are going. What's their velocity? That's the key here. So we'll take these 2 points. At this point for object A, how far has he traveled? He's traveled 90, hasn't he? Over how much time? 30 seconds. And of course, we know our simple formula of V equals d over t. We'll use it. 90 over 30. And this guy is going 3 meters per second. Do you think this was going slower? Common sense tells you it is, right? Let's find out. We'll use that step point here. So our distance is 50, isn't it? See, we're on the 50 line here. We've gone 50. Our time, of course, is 30 as before. So now the same calculation here gives us 50 distance over 30 seconds. And our speed here, our velocity, is 1.67 meters per second. So indeed, this one's going faster, isn't it, than this one? Sure, it's got a steeper slope. Slope is actually the velocity. So he's going faster. This one here is going slower. And that's about it for distance versus time graphs. Bye.